Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another day in the life of a dental assistant. And before I get into this video, I just have to thank you guys for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. I'm so happy. It may not sound like a lot, but to me it's a lot because everyone starts from 1, and just to see the numbers rise, it's so exciting. But thank you guys so much. But let's get on to the video. So right now, you guys seen in the last clip, I was cleaning the room, getting out the trash. Now I'm just wiping everything down. Also, this week was my 5th year anniversary of dental assisting. Seems like time flies by so fast. Let me know in the comments down below how long you guys have been dental assisting. I'm just wiping everything down, and then I'm going to set everything up for my next patient. I'm just setting up for my next patient I think it was for a night guard delivery, so yeah.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Right now I am just doing some instruments, packaging them up. I usually do this if I don't have a patient, or right before lunch, or at the end of the day. no free time in between patients, so I'm going to do some notes. We use Dentrix, and Dentrix has auto notes or template notes, so all you have to do is click what you're doing and it automatically fills the note for you, and you just have to go in and fill it in with whatever you're doing for that day on that patient. On this patient, we did 4 fillings, so I'm just going in and putting the tooth number in the surface, and then it'll ask me treatment due to, size of the prep, how much anesthetic we used. Every office has their own templates. Everyone does it in their own ways, but at the end of the day, it all has the same information. I'm writing in how many carbs we used, the composite shade, next appointment, and then I'm going to sign with my initials, and then I'm going to go back up to the top and put in any patient concerns and health history updates. And I'm going to continue the notes for the rest of my patients. And I still have some more free time, so I'm just gonna help out my hygienist and make some hygiene bags. If you don't have anything to do, this is a great thing to do, and your hygienist will love you for it. So it's the end of the day, and I'm going to set up trays for the next day. This is a lifesaver when you're running behind, or if your schedule is really busy, have your trays already made and set up. I've had my last patient, so I'm just getting ready to clean my room and shut it down for the day. So now I'm getting ready to run the lines, clean the lines. I like to do this either at the end of the day or at the end of the week, depending on how busy I am. So now I'm just doing the notes for my last patient, and this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down some more video ideas you guys want to see from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.